So how big is the backyard itself?
Yeah. You almost ducked under.
The only thing you have is you got a shop that's
I blocked that, right?
We did.
Yeah.
Okay. Died.
Making sure.
So we have planters that come along the two sides and then spur out like this. So I've got a section here, section here, section here, and a little square section back here.
Well, the prior owner had
Play area and put a garden. This is where I sunk my fell.
Yeah, right. That was the question we checked everyone.
No, I agree. Yeah, you got that wrap around.
Did I?
Oh, dude, I got some stick on it, but you sure nailed it.
Okay.
That was solid. That was like a 9. That was great. Yeah, there you go, Ken. Very nice, Ken.
Yeah.
Got the rest.
I'm parked in front of the house.
Yeah, man, you're getting that flip in there.
Yeah.
Right after
You're getting it in.
stop it.
Yeah, so we did not know. Huh?
Yes. I knew you were going to do that too.
As soon as I figured out how that shield was going to move.
Well, you got to figure out first that's the neighbor. If not, then that's somebody else.
Yep.
You've got some block on it.
No, it was all helmet.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
No, it's funny because remember where Merlin used to live over there?
Yeah.
So
What am I doing? Is my shield too low or?
I'm just changing the
Way
angle.
low.
Yeah.
Below your shoulder.
What's up?
The shield's below your shoulder when you threw that.
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
What is it?
I'm catching you as you throw, I
Your shield's
guess.
low. It's not even coming up. It's staying right there.
Okay.
I know that door.
Yeah, because a lot of the time the corner comes up. That time, I guess it didn't. Yeah. That's, yeah, there you go. When you're throwing, you're dropping the corner.
If it was coming up, he had it way low like this. So it was way down here below your shoulder. So even when you brought it up,
Okay.
so he was holding all those.
Right, okay? Yep. Finally, I get that goddamn way.
Because he was holding the shield. My bad. So you're getting that.
Yeah.
You got a lot of block on it, too.
No, I didn't get any block
Oh,
on it.
felt like you got
I
some
tried
shield.
to, but I didn't go fast enough.
The shield got a bit of it.
Oh,
Yeah.
maybe.
I think Mike is
I just went with
Oh, okay. I bet you're ready.
Right on that face.
No worries. Nice, like.
Oh, you lost your kid.
One more trusty.
I was losing it anyway.
Yeah, good follow-up.
Nice.
Yeah. Yeah, just enough on that leg.
Okay. It was pretty deep.
You still got it. Yeah, nice. No, I agree.
Yeah.
Which one? I don't think I
That
got
last
you.
one right here.
Was it hard enough?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
I feel like it chopped down rather than in.
It was good enough.
Okay.
Unless it was flat, it was hard enough.
It was in, but it felt like it slid down.
Yeah.
Okay.
thing to remember about male quails, keep the nipple on top is up. Because you wear it and press it down, you get a headache really quick.
Dad, record them now. You got enough of us for right now.
Yep.
Get them.
This is my very first home.